and I've been teaching at Central St. Martin's short courses for over 10 years. This one in particular is an art and design workshop for 16 to 18-year-olds, and we are essentially showing them or providing an experience of art school in 1 week. Our focus is really on kind of no pressure, experimentation, learning the skills to make something or to find something from nothing. So we're exploring interests and different materials. They'll leave hopefully having fun and learning and sharing and building a portfolio or understanding how to start to build a portfolio.
Each day we try and focus on different things. So on the first day it was kind of drawing from your imagination, and then the second day it was life drawing, so we were really focusing on the human form and things. Here I really think I've found that I've become a lot more creative and would not care as much about being so precise. I can just be a lot more expressive with my art now, so it's been good.